Are you looking to cut these kinds of shapes? How about cutting them a lot faster? Imagine keying in a few figures and gladly waiting for the finished products to come out like ready-to-eat toast. With Cosen's CNC 800DM, it's just that easy. CNC 800DM is called CNC because it gets the hard job out of the way for you. Programmable up to 100 jobs of different mitering angles, cutoff lengths, and quantities. Measuring on your work is reduced to the minimum. And with the NC automatic saw bow mitering, the PLC-controlled material feeding and clamping, precision structural focused cutting, and the intelligent CNC technology with Cosen's HMI system, CNC 800DM will dramatically boost your productivity in miter cutting. With the power gear-driven rotating mechanism, CNC 800DM can miter to 45 degrees to the front and 60 degrees to the back, giving you countless angles to cut at. And swiveling the saw bow is just as easy as a simple touch of the button on the HMI touch panel. The instant angle display and the two swiveling speeds together help you achieve your desired mitering angle quickly and accurately. In addition, the saw bow automatically locks down when the desired angle is achieved to ensure cutting accuracy. As the saw bow turns and the mitering angle changes, the front vise also repositions itself to the best possible location. When the saw bow is swiveled to the front, for example, the front vise retracts backwards to get out of the way for safe cutting. And to ensure you the best cutting stability, the guide arm is able to move in sync with the swiveling saw bow to the point closest to the material. With CNC 800DM, material feeding and positioning is smooth and quick. Hydraulic shuttle vise assembly rides on two large guide shafts that are capable of handling extreme loads. Both shafts are ground and chrome-plated for durability and smooth material feeding. With PLC-controlled multiple indexing, CNC 800DM can feed any length up to 99 meter maximum, utilizing full shuttle length every index until the desired length is reached. A few other features contribute to the smooth and easy material feeding experience. For instance, multiple bed and side rollers make it possible to quickly move heavy material into the sawing area, even by hand. Ductile cast iron vise with large hardened wear plates further facilitates scrape-free feeding. These steel wear plates are replaceable for your long-term machine use. Full-stroke hydraulic front and rear vices enable zero clamping. Last but not least, the double retracting shuttle vise jaws open and close simultaneously, so that crooked or misaligned material won't get caught while the shuttle vise withdraws. Once the material is ready to cut, CNC 800DM's rigid saw bow and planetary gearbox come into play to ensure you a precise and efficient cutting. The all-in-one saw bow is heavily built in every inch and provides a strong stabilizing force during the cut. The saw bow is hydraulically driven and travels along two precision linear guides which allow for a smooth, pulse-free up-down movement and facilitate long-term durability. CNC 800DM also incorporates the planetary gearbox, which possesses better efficiency than an ordinary worm gear reducer and offers you much higher transmission efficiency and more stable blade tension. CNC 800DM is specifically designed for cutting structural material up to 500 mm round and 800 mm wide. The 10-degree blade tilt design allows H-beam, I-beam, and the like to be cut at top cutting rates. To sustain heavy workloads, the work table employs a radial array of large steel plates which can also be replaced if worn out. A number of grooves are carefully designed in between the steel plates for the blade to descend and cut at common angles. Many more features, such as hydraulic guide arm, hydraulic carbide blade guides, and bearing guides are in place to help CNC 800DM cut with top precision. What's more, vibration damper can effectively reduce blade vibration produced under high-speed cutting, increase your cutting rate, and give you smooth cut-off surfaces. With all these great designs throughout, CNC 800DM are in line to make your structural cutting easier than ever. Don't forget Cosen's CNC technology with HMI system. It's your key to intelligent cutting and profit making. Time is money, so if you can cut 10 at a time, don't cut one. CNC 800DM allows you to program up to 100 jobs of different mitering angles, cut-off lengths, and quantities, and all the rest is taken care of for you. The saw automatically swivels, feeds, and cuts, and it even automatically shuts down when your jobs are completed or attention is required. Cosen CNC technology integrates many important control functions and cutting data into the 14-inch HMI touch panel for you to use at ease. With a simple touch of the button, you can clamp and unclamp carbide blade guides, move the guide arm left and right, switch mitering speed or feed speed from quick to slow, monitor blade speed, blade life. Applying the best down-feed rate is vital to getting quality cuts and getting them fast. CNC 800DM incorporates the saw frame height encoder, which calculates and displays the actual linear down-feed rate right during the cut. With this data in hand, you can make necessary adjustments and easily achieve the ideal cutting condition. Everything designed in the HMI system will help you better utilize the machine, achieve the best cutting performance, and in turn, optimize your return of investment. Whether it's for construction or fabrication purpose, CNC 800DM is truly one of its kind in automatic miter cutting. There's just nothing like it. CNC Automatic SOBO Double Mitering. PLC controlled precision feeding, clamping, and cutting. And the intelligent CNC technology with Cosen's HMI system. All of them make CNC 800DM the ideal machine for you. Precise, accurate, and designed specifically to maximize structural cutting productivity, Cosen's CNC 800DM is the answer for your high production structural cutting needs.